Everyone, I'm making this video to introduce to you this book that I wrote for kids, A World of Color, Animal Tales for Curious Kids. It has 22 stories, short stories for kids, all about animals. And this is the introduction. As you can see, these are all the stories there are. In all, there are 22 stories, animal stories. This is introduction of me, and as you can see, with every story, I included a picture for kids to color. The pictures that I included all go with the story that I wrote. And kids can read the story, and afterwards, depending on the story, what is written there, color the picture that they have. This book is ideal for kids from 4 years to 9 years. The written is large, it's not small. For kids, it's in simple English. This is another one, as you can see. I included a picture for all stories. All the stories that there are, they all include a picture. As I told you, there are 22 stories in all. There are 22 stories. And as I told you, this is the last one, number 22. And as I told you, this book, you can find this book on Amazon. In the description, I will leave a link from where you can get it. So you go directly to Amazon, and you find, if you're interested, you find it and you buy it. As I told you, this book is ideal for kids from 4 years to 9 years.